Nervous system. Divisions of the nervous system. Nervous system controls all the activities of the body. It quicker than other control system in the body, namely endocrine system. Primarily, nervous system is divided into two parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So, the nervous system is divided into the two parts, that is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. As you can see in the image, the central nervous system. Central nervous system, it includes brain, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. In peripheral nervous system, it includes autonomic and somatic. Central nervous system. Central nervous system includes brain and spinal cord. It is formed by neurons and supporting cells called neuralgia. Structures of the brain and spinal cord are arranged in two layers, namely grey matter and white matter. Grey matter is formed by nerve cell bodies and the proximal part of nerve fibers rising from nerve cell body. White matter is formed by remaining part of the nerve fibers. So this is about the nervous system. In brain, white matter is placed in the inner part and grey matter is placed in the outer part in the spinal cord. White matter is in the outer part and grey matter is in the inner part. Brain is situated in the skull. As we all know, it is continued as spinal cord in the vertebral canal through the foramen magnum of the skull bone. Brain and spinal cord are surrounded by three layers of meninges called the outer dura mater, median arachnoid matter, and inner pia mater. Parts of brain. Brain contains of three major divisions: proencephalon, mesencephalon, and robinencephalon. Proencephalon. Proencephalon is otherwise known as forebrain. So the proencephalon is otherwise also known as forebrain. And mesencephalon is also known as midbrain. And robinencephalon, it is also known as hindbrain. The nervous system. The nervous system is divided into two parts, that is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is divided into three parts: spinal cord, brainstem, and brain itself. And in peripheral nervous system, it is divided into two parts, that is autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. In autonomic nervous system, it is divided into two parts, that is sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system, or PNS, is formed by neurons and their processes present in all regions of the body. It consists of cranial nerve arising from brain and spinal nerve arising from the spinal cord. It is again divided into two subdivisions, that is somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is concerned with somatic functions. It includes the nerve supplying the skeletal muscles. And autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system is concerned with regulations of visceral or vegetative functions. So it is otherwise called vegetative or involuntary nervous system. Autonomic nervous system consists of two divisions: sympathetic divisions and parasympathetic division. So that all about the introduction of nervous system.